This section is called Data Repository Overview. The short-term forecaster model requires input from the data repository. And if you look at the graph at the bottom of this slide, here's what's actually happening, is we get data from various sources. We put that into the data repository. And then in the short-term forecaster model, when we're ready for the data, we load it in from the data repository. We create our trends and build our forecasts. So first of all, the short-term forecaster model is an Excel-based model. So is the data repository. It's an Excel-based file. And it has a number of advantages. It's modular. So you could have multiple versions of the data repository and easily swap a data set in and out. So for example, we've worked with companies that have been comparing using different sources of data. For example, SHA versus IMS. So we had a data repository for IMS and we had one for SHA, and we just swapped in the one we wanted to look at. In addition, the data repository is smaller and simpler to update on a regular basis than the STF model itself. And third, it can be used as a master data file for other uses. And it's good for this because all it does is it contains data, so it doesn't have any forecasts or other information that maybe is somewhat sensitive and you don't want to pass on to other people. The data repository just simply contains historical data, and so it can be used by a wider audience. And the other advantage of it, not only to be a data source, but also for data input. Let's say 4 different people within the company update the data repository. Being small and light, it's easy to pass around, and containing no forecasts, again, you don't have any sensitive information that leaks out or that you would show to people that you wouldn't otherwise want to show. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.